Hello folks, good morning. Welcome to another video. What a pleasant day here in Puerto del Carmen. Oh, blue sky, sunshine, and happy days around. So if you fancy to join to walk around here in Puerto del Carmen, this is our channel to stay. I feel energized because of the good weather. It's very nice to walk around here as of today. So time check is 9:48 and 28th of May already, and almost finished the month. And yeah, the big event just finished, the Ironman, and congratulations to all the winners, of course. And yep, the daytime is a little bit busy and there's a movement around, like a very interesting day. But in the evening is another day. Sorry, in the evening is a different story. Just so quiet in the evening. I don't know why. We got only 2 to 3 tables, up to 7 tables a night. They're struggling to get some people. In the daytime is fine, you know, because everybody's walk around, everybody's having a great time, and the place is just very happy and solid. But in the evening is another different atmosphere around. It's very quiet, not much people around, and yeah, bit chill as well. So I think maybe the weather changing people, I don't know. But for my perspective of everyday view of it, of the evening, it's just very different, very quiet. My goodness. But now just enjoying myself, sitting one of these beautiful bench. In front, of course, is Palm Bay that I used to work. It's really nice, cheap price and happy people. Don't know really what to say. The good weather's around. It comes around. Just so happy. We have the driest weather and pleasant day. So wow. I think these are typical summer days, you know. If you want to come here, this is the weather that really nice. Not so cold, not so hot. Just we're in the middle, and of course it's summer. You get the tan skin as well. You see the view around here? Look at this. You see, if you're sitting one of these beds and enjoying a few drinks, you'll be fine. Looks like you're in a luxury that most people want to, you know, want to do and enjoy. It's a divers right there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. GoPro, if you zoom it, it's just wow, amazing. Very blurry and you can't see a thing. It's early and the ice cream shop is still closed. Wow. You know, very different around here when the Ironman starts. Just so many people, very busy. And now look, it's just one authentic day here in Lanzarote. But I prefer this kind of relaxed and enjoyable day to walk because it's quiet and early people are relaxed and enjoying. Crowded place is just very annoying sometimes, but don't get me wrong, sometimes I miss a lot of the big cities, and to be exact word, but yeah, I prefer sometimes like this quiet, relaxed place to enjoy. Look at this. Look at the beach. Wow. You see? Quiet, relax. You know, if you're in Asia, like Philippines, for example, or Thailand, you see the beach is way different than the other one. But for relaxing mode, enjoy a relaxed day is the same as everywhere. You know, while you're looking at the beach, sitting one of the umbrellas and beds, we're gonna enjoy it for sure. Even though the water here is a little bit cold, and Southeast Asia is warm because of the Pacific, but it's fine. The same, what they call this, the same enjoyment that you can do. The only thing is we don't do here around in Europe, especially here in Lanzarote, barbecues around the beach. You know, in Asia you can do everything you want. If you walk along the Avenida like what we have right now, like this, and you smell a lot of smoke right there because of they're doing barbecues all over the place. And of course you can do it in the beach as well. They have some cottage on it, some cooking utensils in the middle, and just, yeah, one big epic restaurant to, you know, to do it yourself. Bring your own food, cook it right there, and call it a day. And here we cannot do that. Just go to the beach and then come back in the restaurant if you want to. But in Asia, like in the Philippines, like I said, you can bring your own pork ribs, pork chops, or whatever you want to grill. You can do it on your own in the big beach. But speak, but there's some places that are not allowed. But most of the places you can do it. So that's a good thing about Asia. Everything you need to know, everything you need to do, you can do it. But here is different. But yep, speaking only in Lanzarote, so this is the place, this is the weather, and this is what's going on around here. Quiet, relaxed, few people in the beach, few people in the restaurant. I think this is the the time that really is slow, very quiet evening in past few weeks. So I think it's not great because of lots of businesses are open and there's nobody in, and lots of entrepreneur or businessmen are complaining because it's very quiet, you know, no work. And that's the thing around here. If there's no work, everybody's got their headaches, you know, problem. Look at the beach, it's very calm. Tiny waves, which is really good. You know, the Ironman, I heard this bar accommodate about 800 people. Jeez, 800 people. How they put 800 people there? Just wondering. Maybe they have a big, like the big tent right there. They put some tables as well. Who knows? But the Ironman's like, yeah, full of people there. And yeah, everybody's like, wow. But you know, it's a nice place. Look at the view that you have. I think that's the one paying off. But yeah, 800 people. My goodness, the last time I worked with a lot of people when I was in the beach bar, and there's like event of Seat cars. If you know the Seat cars, and there's a lot of people, and we work at the beach for about 12 hours and no credit at all. You know what I mean? We work from 7 a.m. up to 7 p.m. and no credit at all. They just pay us what the day's supposed to pay, and exhausted. And yeah, everybody's like, especially the boss, super happy, but all the workers, I don't know, complaining, no food, you can't even eat, so busy. And that day rain falls, That's a good thing. When the rain hits, everybody stop. So we have chance to have like a few minutes of rest and no food. We cannot eat, but at least we can rest. I hate that day, but that's how it is. And after that few months, there's a big event as well, the same group, I mean same company, and I think officials around here in Lanzarote, and they call us again to work, and we just say no. And our boss get angry, he say why, and the only one stood up, said you don't pay us the right money, and he just shut his mouth while talking. And he told me, if you don't like, you can go. Well, that's what you want, so I go. And after that, everybody do the same thing, you know, arguing with the boss. But anyway, look, beds and umbrellas. Very nice. The coolest thing you can do around here is walk around, explore, enjoy. That's what we're doing right now. Walk, enjoy, and have the best of it. Wow. Sorry about the scorching of my slipper. It's hot. Still hurt my legs. Yeah, I was cycling yesterday just in Arrecife, but we're maintaining about 25-30 kilometers per hour, so that's hard, especially in the hilltop somewhere. Not a hilly like a top hill. It's just maybe about 60 meters high, but yeah, so, like this one, but a long one, maybe about half a kilometer of climbing. That's fine. Look, just very blue, you know. I look at all the restaurants out here. It's not open yet for business. It's early. I don't know if it's right or wrong. Maybe, I hope they open much earlier so people know that they are open. Most of the time it's closed, so that's why nobody passed through or nobody come through here. Look, 2025. You know, the winner of Ironman this year is France as well, and Great Britain. So it's English girl who wins, and a French guy win the race. Very awesome. Here we go again. Here in this part, you smell the bacon around. Look at the sea view. Very happy. Maritoni do some breakfast as well. And there's a place is in renovation. I think they're gonna do some bar as well. You know, the Valerie, they're renovating it. I don't know if they're gonna put some new business or a new bar or a new pastry or same Valerie. No idea. And of course the Irish Rover and the Shenanigans, they competing to each other or not, I don't know. You have different people, different concept. Of course, there's nobody around, this is not gonna work well. It really depends on how it works, how people coming in, you know. If there's no tourists around, we're not in great shape. So look at here, even beds and umbrellas here are very quiet. So I don't know, folks. That's the Ironman right there, starting to demolish it. How do you say that? Disembark. You know, they starting to put it like a puzzle, and now this montaigne, I have no idea in English. It's just the scaffolding, they just taking apart one by one. That's very cool, very nice weather. It's not too hot. You can sit down in the sunshine and not get burned because there's a fresh wind blowing from right to left and left to right. I remember walking here the day before the Ironman, and there's no cars around here, and you see all the restaurants, the shining scenery. It's a good thing. That's why I always pray that I hope, you know, the road is in the other side and all these bars is much closer at the beach, you know. And like this one is the restaurants, and the other side is the road, so you can see the glimpse like when you're walking in Matagorda. I hope they do the same thing here, but it doesn't. There's a road here before the restaurant, so lots of parkings, no views at all. That's fine, kind of used to it now. But I hope they do the same thing as Matagorda, you know. It's much better here if that's happened, because all the cars, buses and deliveries are coming in the back. So from point A to point B of Puerto del Carmen, it's all restaurants and bars. I think it's much better that way, but that's how it is. Can't do anything about it. Disassembling, here you go, that's the word. Disassembling this place now. You know, they use it for a day, put it in a month, and now they're taking off. A lot of work. Jeez. But it's nice, you know, because it's a big event and they give work to the people, especially here in Puerto del Carmen. A lot of business been worked well on that day, so yeah, big shout out to Ironman. Let's see in 2027 they do much bigger and, you know, wider and happier. I hope they just put some concert after the Ironman, you know, so people can stay a little bit more, but they don't. So yeah, I hope they do it. Look, this is right here now. Maybe in a few days this is gonna be open for business. We used to sit there and see people finishing the race. It's very nice. So we're here now at the Cardiac Hill. It's a Charlie's Bar right here that have been new. That one gonna open soon, which is very nice. New business, new place, good job. That's right, the Cardiac Hill. The people don't know. Woo. So we're now here at the very end of the Avenida. Can see, I think I'm what do you call this? I'm just seeing cars. I don't see the restaurant much. Maybe we can walk on the other side, yes. But yeah, this is what we're walking on, so you can see much wider and much bigger. Look at this. I remember when I was working in the beach bar, the Ironman passed through here. here in this spot. They changed it, and the swimming start there on that side, and the cycle is right here in this part. So you can take all the bikes right there, but the runners finish the run right here. That's way cooler because we saw it while working here in the beach bar. That's maybe about 5 years ago. So anyway folks, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'm so sorry I don't have much to say. I just want to, you know, to make a video today so I can show you what's going on here. And it's a perfect weather, that's why I bring my camera as well. Look, blue sky, nothing on it, it's very fresh. And of course, the beach is just open to everyone to want to have a tan skin and enjoy, you know, the beautiful beach of Playa Grande. So yeah folks, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs. I hope to see you in the next episode. So I'm gonna post more and more videos, and I'm trying to make a videos as well in Facebook. So if you're fancy of following Vince PH in Facebook, you just search Vince PH Lanzarote and will come out. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs, and see you in the next one. So peace out, bye bye.